In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a layout to multiple slides in PowerPoint. This is a useful skill if you want to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your presentation and saves you the hassle of making changes to each slide individually. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Typically, you'd want to search for Microsoft PowerPoint through your search engine. This will direct you to the official site where you'd begin your journey for this tutorial. Once you're there, open the provided link to access Microsoft PowerPoint directly. Now, the next step is to log into your Microsoft account. This is crucial if you want to access your presentation stored within your online workspace. Ensure your login details are handy and accurate. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. You'll find that facilitated on the same platform. Once you've successfully logged in, choose the PowerPoint presentation you want to edit. You may have several presentations, so take a moment to find and open the correct one that you're working on for this task. With your chosen presentation open, take a look at your slides on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your thumbnail pane, which displays all your slides in order. Click on the first slide that you want to modify with a new layout. You'll notice it's highlighted once selected. If you have multiple slides that are scattered throughout your presentation and you'd like to change them all at once, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. As you hold it, click each additional slide you want to update. This allows for selecting non-consecutive slides one by one. Alternatively, if you're looking to select a series of consecutive slides, click the first slide in the sequence, then hold down the Shift key, and finally, click the last slide. All slides between those two will be selected, making the process much quicker. Next, navigate to the top of your PowerPoint window to find the Home tab within the ribbon. It's typically located on the top left and contains a plethora of tools for slide customization. From there, you'll see the Slides group, and right within this area is the Layout button, where the magic happens. Clicking this Layout button will open a gallery of layouts. Here, you have a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. Browse through the available options and select the new layout you'd like to apply to your selected slides. This instantly applies the layout you picked, transforming the appearance of your chosen slides effortlessly. And that's it. You've now applied a new layout to multiple slides, giving your presentation a professional and unified appearance. Make sure to save your work as you wrap up. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting!